OpenAI has decided to shut down its Sora video app, even though it had gained massive attention as one of the most advanced AI video generation tools. At the same time, a reported $1 billion investment plan involving Disney has also been dropped. On the surface, this looks surprising. But when you look deeper, the decision is more about limitations in AI infrastructure than about the product itself. Sora was designed to generate realistic videos from simple text prompts. It stood out because of its ability to create longer, more coherent scenes compared to earlier AI video tools. That level of quality required extremely high computing power. Every generated video involves processing large models, handling motion consistency, lighting, physics, and frame-by-frame rendering. This is far more demanding than generating text or even images. The main issue is cost. Running a system like Sora at scale requires massive amounts of GPU power and specialized hardware. Each video generation request consumes significant resources, and when millions of users are involved, the cost increases rapidly. Even for a company like OpenAI, scaling such a product to a global audience becomes difficult without a sustainable infrastructure strategy. This is where the shift in focus becomes important. Instead of continuing to push a high-cost consumer-facing app, the company appears to be prioritizing long-term infrastructure. That includes improving AI models, optimizing compute efficiency, and investing in hardware capabilities. In simple terms, they are stepping back from the application layer and focusing more on the foundation that supports all AI systems. The dropped investment plan also fits into this shift. Large partnerships in media and entertainment require stable, scalable, and cost-efficient technology. If the underlying system is still expensive to operate, expanding it into large commercial deals becomes risky. It is more practical to first solve the infrastructure challenges before scaling into industries like film and content production. Another factor is how AI demand is evolving. The biggest growth area right now is not just in creative tools, but in enterprise AI, cloud services, and advanced computing systems. These areas require reliable performance, lower costs, and efficient data movement. This is where improvements in AI chips and data center architecture become critical. AI models today are heavily dependent on hardware. The performance, speed, and cost of AI systems are directly linked to the chips they run on. If the hardware cannot keep up efficiently, even the most advanced software becomes difficult to scale. This is one of the reasons why many companies are now investing heavily in custom AI chips and alternative computing approaches. In this context, shutting down a product like Sora is not necessarily a failure. It is more of a strategic adjustment. For viewers, the key takeaway is simple. The future of AI is not just about what the software can do. It is also about how efficiently it can run. Behind every advanced AI tool, there is a complex layer of hardware and infrastructure that determines whether it can scale or not. So while the shutdown of Sora may seem like a step back, it actually reflects a broader change in direction. The next phase of AI development will likely be driven less by flashy applications and more by improvements in the systems that power them.